Part 4. How sin works inside us. Sin begins with the desire. In James 1:14-15, each person is tempted when they are dragged away by their own evil desire and enticed. Then, after desire has conceived, it gives birth to sin. And sin, when it's full grown, gives birth to death. This explains how sin grows inside the human heart: temptation, desire, consent, sin, and death. Jeremiah 17:9. The heart is deceitful above all things and beyond cure. Who can understand it? This shows that sin can wound the human heart. Sin begins with the desire, therefore the heart needs healing. In Romans 3:23 says, "For all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God." This shows that every human being needs salvation because all have sinned. Stay tuned for part 5.